This is our insulation vegetable duct, and this one is inner duct, is aluminum foam vegetable duct. We had a double layer aluminum foam and single layer aluminum foam. And this one is a yellow fiberglass insulation. And this one is aluminum foam jacket. And about the diameter size, the smallest diameter size is 60 mm and the biggest diameter size is 600 mm. And the total net will be 10 meter.